What it do? Hey, this video right here for all my Gsxrs, man. Got a problem with the aftermarket switches. This little thing right here, I'm finna show y'all what to do to it. Y'all can buy this, man. One number like $50-something. You get like the lock set, the trunk part, and ignition for like $50-something. And I'm gonna show y'all how to fix this, man. Cause I wouldn't get no spark, no prime. My tank one, my fuel pump one priming, or none of that. But I'm gonna show y'all how to fix this crap, man. This is my aftermarket switch right here. The little eBay, bought from eBay. And plus y'all wanna grind that down too a little. Because once you put that on, it go grind on your frame. So just grind that little lock part down, and that'll fix that scrubbing on your frame. And this the part that go to that. But this what y'all do, man, right here. We get to it with all this talking. Hey, if y'all don't know, y'all can use a battery like this, a 9-volt battery, and that'll work. I did that. But let me show y'all what to do. This the plug in right here on the switch. And y'all see the color wires. And that's a 06 Gsxr600 right there I got. Don't know why, so y'all see it. Alright. This the block. And it came with that little resistor right there. So it came with that one already, but it wasn't doing nothing. The thing focus, darn it! So you got the green wire that's running to the resistor that came with it, and the ones I got taped not running to a resistor. So y'all see the colors of that. So that's what you go do. This red with the, can't hardly tell on my phone, red with the orange stripe. Man, get 100 ohm resistor. Take this wire right here, not gonna be ran to a resistor. So get your solder gun, take this wire loose, just take it loose, and get you 100 ohm 100. Dang, I'm tripping, can't talk, man. Get you 100 ohm resistor and solder it to the block. Then run the other end to this wire you're gonna take off. And that's it, man. Wrap it up. You put some hot glue on there to hold it down. Whatever you want to do. I'm finna put it in so y'all can see. That's all I did, man. I got my little thing rigged up. I got my locks, my other stuff over there. I just ain't hooked it up yet, cause I just fixed it. At first, I was just getting a whine. I was just playing that, but that's all I was getting, man. No prime, no fuel pump or none. But listen to the fuel pump when I put that 100 resist on there. Oh yeah. And I also gotta fix that whining noise on there. I got a code on this too. That STVA. I gotta get that fixed. But yeah, man, that's all I got for y'all, man. If y'all got any questions or something, man, you already know what to do. I got this thing all put back together. I'm in the house, but I'm gonna turn it on and let y'all know that it works. I'm hurry up and turn it off. Hear that pump and everything on. Go over there and pull that clutch. This one? Yeah, pull it in tight. There you go. Y'all see it. Get that.